So hi guys, we're doing a new video. Luke's has brought his phone again and he's doing a video.
Yeah, I'm doing a video because my channel is coming out very soon. So I'm getting videos ready for my channel.
And Thomas Got Skills, his YouTube channel, he told me to like swap the camera around, so I'm doing it now. So you're welcome, Thomas.
Yeah, Thomas.
Yeah, Thomas.
Oh, Thomas! Right, yeah, so what are we doing? Just messing around then?
Yeah, probably.
Right.
It was my dad's birthday on Wednesday last week, and like they had champagne and
We might
everything.
be doing a video in the pool, so
Yeah,
that'll be fun.
yeah,
If I'm staying here until like
tea time and everything. So we might do a video on dinghy on the paddling pool, so hopefully that'll work.
Yeah.
What do you think we should do? And it's Monday, by the way.
Yeah, new week. And I will be making a video on Wednesdays or Thursdays, any day this week, because I go to my friend's house once a week, like every week.
Who is it?
Ruben.
Oh.
I go to his once a week, like every week. So, yeah, so I'll be doing a video at his house. Probably.
But you don't have a YouTube channel yet. Hopefully you'll get one soon.
Will be made soon. And if this is posted on my this will probably be posted on my channel, obviously.
I'm gonna try and jump from here to there.
Yeah.
Quite big.
What I just said.
You can't probably see it, but anyway.
What are you doing?
Wait, hold the camera.
Okay.
I don't think this is gonna work right. It's really wobbly, look.
Yeah. Oh!
That. Oh my god. I can't wait. Wait, turn it around the camera. That way.
Oh, there you.
Right.
There you. It's catching both. Both cameras are catching it.
Oh my god.
Oh, just imagine if it falls now. Oh, that was so close.
Right. That might have been upside down when you did it. I don't know.
I don't know. I could do. You can do it both ways. So we're just chilling. Wait, do you think we should smack something? Should we smack a piece of wood with the
Yeah, right.
thingy?
So this is
This
shed.
is the shed.
This is the shed.
And this
We've
is
got
what
an axe.
we use all the time to
Smack things.
smack
We've also got
We've also got
a
sledgehammer.
sledgehammer
Wherever that is. I don't know.
right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There it is.
So
So you're swinging around an axe, right?
yeah. Can you hold?
Yeah.
Look
So-
at this bad boy.
Let me just put my camera down. Alright. See, like, show us the axe then. Show us it. Show us the axe then.
This is
Right.
the axe. I'm gonna use.
Oh, your phone has got good quality. It's got like... Oh my god.
Oh my god.
So, we're going to chop this
On this brick, bro.
on a brick over here. Great. Wait, let me get...
I missed. I completely missed. Look what I've done.
Look what he did. He missed and smashed the stone.
Oh,
Yeah.
Look at that dent.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that's amazing. Right, come on. It's my turn after this.
Wait, let me have one more.
One more after this one.
This is gonna be a good one.
Hey! Where's the other part?
Right, chop this part.
Look at that.
Right, I chopped these two.
Right. Come on.
This is
Just
what
put
I
them on
chopped.
there. Just put them on
Right,
there.
you can choose.
Yeah, put them. Right, so both cameras. Tell. Alright, I'll just chop the massive one. It's actually really heavy. Hopefully it doesn't smash. So I'm gonna try and cut it there.
Oh, you missed, Wait, look what he's done.
Which one was that? Was it that one?
No,
or
it was
that
this one.
It actually chips rocks out.
They actually flew to me.
Oh, let me move it a bit over so I don't cut my hands away.
Oh, he flew in there!
Johnny!
Oh, he chopped that as well.
Yeah, look at
Right,
this is the emoji cut.
Oh,
Right, the emoji cut.
Oh, he flew everywhere.
Oh, Johnny!
No, can I do that? Can I do that?
I'll just get another one out of the tree.
No.
Right, let me get my camera. Right.
Chopping this little apple.
Right, so we got a little apple. So Johnny's gonna chop it.
An
I think that's gonna be hard.
versus axe.
Oh yeah, like those videos, like hydraulic presser versus like Coke. Right, so this is axe.
That's what the name is gonna be.
Axe versus apple. Right, let's go. Ah! Look at that!
I chopped a little piece off.
Look at that!
Oh no, wait, video it on that and then video through it.
Look at that! Oh! Oh my God! That's so weird.
Right.
Alright. Wait, how let me do that?
Wait,
Oh no, just get a new one. Oh, that.
Right, I'm gonna hit it.
It didn't even go anywhere. I don't know. Oh, it went over there. Right, go get a new one.
Oh.
Ah! Pick the apple. Can we even find any? Here we go. Right, one. Hold the cameras then.
Right,
Hold the cameras then. Right, hold the cameras. Right. So, apple versus axe. Apple versus axe.
so blurry.
And which one? I know when you put them like that.
That's like literally half of an apple.
Right. Look at that cut. To be honest, that's clean for an axe.
Nice.
Right. We're gonna put it like this time. Right, so we're gonna go. There's a little one there. Come on, you stupid stick. We've cracked it. Show the camera this.
That was already cracked.
Yeah.
Isn't
The
it?
giant crack. You can't see it on the camera. Right.
You can
Good.
just a bit. Well, that didn't work.
What if it flies and hits you? They went
Hopefully
crazy
not.
last time. This. Look at that! Look at that!
Oh my God, man! Well, that the little piece went flying
I
off.
hit it there.
Well, that didn't work.
Wait, let me try that again.
Look, wait, look how big that is.
Just look at that. Destroyed. Yeah, you put it on the. Right.
Look at that face, though. That face, though. Right. Hold the cameras.
Wait, can I smack this little stick? Oh, it's a piece. Oh, it's the other piece. It's the other piece. Let's see if I can chop this. What if it hit there and cracked it? That would be so weird. Alright.
Just saying this video might be upside down, because I might have done it wrong, but hopefully not.
Look at this stupid, sturdy little Nick! Come in my house! My rules!
Right, hold the cameras. Hold the cameras. Hold the camera.
Look at the mess. Look at the mess on the stone after that. Look at that mess. So yeah, we're getting a sledgehammer now.
Right.
What are we smacking?
Look at this big.
What are we hitting? What are we hitting?
Right. We are.
This thing.
Wait, right. So, do this. Sledgehammer this rock. So, we do an apple v
Wait, Johnny, I know what I can do.
Right.
Put that on the rock and use it as like a little protection. Yeah.
Right.
So there's the This might be recording outside. Anyway, let's go.
No.
You missed it.
3, 2, 1.
Ah!
Everywhere.
Look at that! Oh my god, literally, if you look over the video, you can just hear me screaming.
Right, let's hit this again.
Right, he's hitting it.
This bad boy.
Sledgehammer versus stone.
That didn't work. Oh, yes!
Oh, look at the damage.
Now look at that middle, it looks
Whoa. Let's do a giveaway on it.
sick.
No.
Right, let's do another
Right,
hit.
let me hit the last.
Wait,
let me hit that.
Right, let me see.
Oh my.
Ah!
Right, smack that big stone.
Little!
Oh!
It just went into tiny little pieces.
So, I knew we were just chilling. Right, just smack that big stone for fun. Smack it. Smack that big stone thing. Okay.
Yeah? What? Right.
Yeah? Right. Just smack that.
Careful, we've got a sledgehammer.
Alright, come on, smack that, smack
Won't
that.
break anything.
Smack that. Oh gee. Right, wait, let me get a good shot.
Right.
We don't want this to get age restricted. Right. My turn. Smack one more. One more. Oh my god, look at that!
Look at that.
Cracking off.
Nah, that looks sick in the middle.
Look at that. Right, put it down.
Oh my god.
My turn. Right, go on, hold the cameras in. Hold the cameras.
Right.
Right, so this is.
Oh my god.
So this is. Wait, let's close this.
Grass. Meow. Meow.
Close this because why not? Right.
Hopefully this video won't be upside down for mine.
Yeah. Right, so. Right, go on, stand over there then. Then you can get a shot. Right, good old classic sledgehammer. So, classic old sledgehammer. Here's Johnny's sledgehammer. Here's Johnny! Right, yeah, and we've got the big stone, which we are hitting. So let's go. Oh, and if you're wondering what that is, that little mark, the axe hit it. So
Yeah, we hit it with the axe. Trying to break it down a bit.
oh my.
Well, that missed.
Oh, you can. Oh, look at it. Put the camera on that. That was sick.
What?
Look at that.
Farted. What is it?
That's right here. Right.
3, 2, 1, go. It's heavy, by the way.
I know, it's really heavy.
Right, last one, then we're going to finish the video.
You piece of.
Right, so Luke, take your camera. Take your camera.
Okay.
Right, so bye guys, gonna finish this video, subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and please just tell everyone about it.
Yeah.
Right, so see you, bye, see you in the next video. Hopefully we're doing the
See you.
paddling pool. Bye.
See you. Bye.